Today we're opening up the 4th Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Pleybox, which is a fun subscription package that delivers cool Hot Wheels products to you every other month. Now the Pleyboxes always come with a special new model that the box is themed around, a few additional cars, a track builder kit, a t-shirt, and activity book. If you would like to order a Hot Wheels Pleybox, the link is in the description below, so let's open this one up and see what's inside this month. On top, here's a letter from Play, so thank you again to them for sending the Pleybox. Next is the t-shirt, which always looks cool in every box. This one is a dark blue color with an awesome blue Hot Wheels logo. And of course, there are some cars in here, or should I say vehicles, because the first one is the red HW Moto bike Blastus Moto. The second Hot Wheels in my Pleybox is actually one of my favorite cars. It's the Grabber Blue 2018 Ford Mustang GT with the black racing stripes. There is one more Hot Wheels car inside this Pleybox, and it's the highlight model of the box. You might have noticed it on the front of the t-shirt as well. It's the brand new 2018 X-Racers Hovering Out. So since Hovering Out is the featured vehicle of this Pleybox, it also appears on the front of the Play Activity book, which is a cool challenge accepted booklet full of games, puzzles, and pictures. Just like the other Hot Wheels Playboxes, the track builder system kit is always at the bottom, and for this particular Playbox we have the loop launcher. I really do like this track builder extension, and I prefer it to the normal loop because this one really does give your cars the quick kick they need to actually make it through the blue loops. You may have noticed all the fold lines and creases on the Pleybox. Well, this thing can actually be used in your track setup, it can be a jump, and there are other ways shown in the activity book. So that's a quick rundown of everything that comes inside this Pleybox. We have the box itself, Hovering Out, 2 additional Hot Wheels, the loop launcher, activity book, and epic t-shirt for Challenge Accepted. Here's a much better look at the newest Challenge Accepted t-shirt. It's the 4th one they've released. It's a dark blue color and it features Hovering Out right across the front. I say we open up these new Hot Wheels that came inside the package, starting with the new for 2018 Hovering Out. Once again, one of my favorite new muscle cars, the new for 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And the third Hot Wheels vehicle that was inside of my Pleybox but might be different inside of yours is the HW Moto bike Blastus Moto. Each Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Pleybox comes with a new edition of the Play Activity book, so let's flip through it and check it out. Finally, we have the Track Builder System Loop Launcher, which, like I said before, is one of my favorite track extensions. As you can see on the back of the box, you have the car kicker, which sends the car through the 360 loop, and you can also attach track on the top of the loop to create some crazy stunts off the top. Here we have everything that came inside the loop launcher kit. We've got the orange tracks, the blue tracks for the loop, the ramps, and some other additional parts. But we can't forget Muscle Tone, which was the car that came with the set and is also the 4th car inside of our Pleybox. There we have it, guys, the latest Hot Wheels Challenge Accepted Pleybox with a cool new t-shirt, activity book, a loop launcher kit, and some more cars for your collection. If you would like to order a Hot Wheels Pleybox, the link can be found in the description below. Thank you again to Play, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you soon with more new Hot Wheels.